Stop scrolling. This is happening to you right now.
The muscle you built is being taken apart piece by piece.
You did nothing wrong, Van. This is your biology changing.
When resources are low, your body switches to survival mode. It burns muscle before it burns fat. That sudden drop in strength is not in your head. More cardio is not saving you.
Extreme restriction sends one message. You are. Your brain reacts by accelerating the breakdown.
Rebuild by giving your body.
Tell your body this muscle matters. Recover or keep losing everything.
You now know the truth.
Rebuild or keep losing everything.
The next mistake. Most people eat the WR-ONG protein and keep losing muscle anyway.